Hi guys, I am going to read English newspaper. Direct contest between Congress BJP in 36 seats of Vidarbha. More than sugar-rich Western Maharashtra, where 70 seats are up for grabs for various political contenders, it is the Vidarbha region with 62 seats that holds the key to power in Maharashtra after its poor showing in the recent Lok Sabha polls when it managed to win just 2 out of 10 seats against the 5 seats backed by the Congress. The ruling BJP is struggling to retain its hold in Vidarbha, where cotton and soya bean farmers are in distress with its fees gone. The Bharatiya Janata Party is not quite certain as to how it will fare in terms of the winning tally. The Congress, which heads the opposition Mahavikas Aghadi, has an edge over the BJP on paper. However, given that unlike the Lok Sabha polls, the assembly election is fought at the micro level, the Congress has organizational problems in many of the constituencies in the region. Unlike in the Lok Sabha polls, when the Rashtriya Samaj Sevak Sangh had left the JP Nadda lead party for itself, the BJP has something to cheer this time around because reports from the ground suggest that the RSS workers are quietly working for the ruling party candidates. Like in the past, Deputy Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis is micromanaging the BJP's campaign in Vidarbha. Though its central leaders like Rahul Gandhi and Mallikarjun Kharge have addressed rallies in the region, it is Maharashtra Congress chief Nana Patole and leader of the opposition in the state assembly Vijay Waditwar, both of whom come from Vidarbha and know the region minutely, are in the forefront of the Congress. Being an aggressive leader, Patole had rubbed the Shiv Sena the wrong way during the seat sharing talks among the MVA constituents in his bid to get maximum share of seats for the Congress in Vidarbha, leading the Congress flock in such a backdrop. Patole is running an extra mile to fetch maximum seats for the Congress in this region. There is a lot of curiosity in the state political circles as to how the Congress will fare in the direct fights against the BJP, which had won as many as 29 out of 62 seats, as against 15 seats won by the Congress in the 2019 assembly polls. However, the Congress is banking on its superlative performances in the 2024 Lok Sabha polls when it polled 33.8% of votes and won five out of the total 10 seats as against 30% votes polled and 2 seats won by the BJP. Given that Rahul Gandhi got maximum traction in his this region during his Bharat Jodo Yatra 2 years ago, and the fact that the Rahul impact translated into votes in the recent Lok Sabha polls, the Congress, which is working in tandem with its allies in the MVA, Shiv Sena, and NCP, Sharad Pawar, is optimistic that it will repeat the benefits of the anti-BJP mood continuing to prevail among the distressed farmers, poorer classes, and lower middle classes. Over the year, Kunips and Talis, two dominant communities in Vidarbha, have supported the Congress and BJP respectively. On its part, the Congress is working hard on its time-tested formula of TMK, Dalit Muslim and Kunvis. The BJP is trying to consolidate the OBCs, micro OBCs, and Banjara community. Those involved in direct fight in Vidarbha will include Deputy Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis, State BJP President Chandrasekhar Bawankule, Senior BJP Minister Sudhir Mugunatiwar, Leader of the opposition in the State Assembly Vijay Vedetiwar, and State Congress President Nana Patole. Fadnavis of the BJP is pitted against Pratula Gudhe Patil of the Congress in home constituency of Nagpur South West. Vankule, an OBC leader, is involved in a stiff. Thank you guys for watching this. Thank you.